So why did I answer this in reverse? Well, what I'm going to do, and this is the kind of thing I'm going to expect you to see out of it on the exam one. I'm going to ask you a question like this, and I'm going to ask, when does it splash down? And this is a pretty nasty equation to throw into the quadratic formula. I mean, it's not impossible, but it's not something that we want to take time on. I got a lot of other things I want to ask you about, so I don't want to have to take that time on it. Um, so what we're really asking when I'm at splashdown is I want to know, when is the height zero? I mean, if it launches at sea level, right? So what I'm going to do is solve that. Now, this is a great graphing calculator question to do, but when I throw that into Desmos, what I did, I put that equation in Desmos here. Let's come back and look at it. What am I looking at? I don't know. So I'd really like to get a better picture of this graph to be able to see the complete graph. So the reason I solved it with a how high first, I knew that it's gonna, let's see, what was it gonna do? It's gonna reach its height at 18 seconds, and that height's just shy of 2,000 feet. So what I'm gonna do with Desmos here, I'm gonna click on the settings, and I'm gonna go out. Let's see, if it's peaking at 18, I know it's gonna come down after about 36. So I'm gonna put the X max out to about 40, and then I'm going to go high just so I can see a better picture of the whole graph. I'm going to make the maximum be about 2,000 for Y. And then you see, and I'll put it on bold so we can see it. And if you come back to Desmos, see, I can't quite see the bottom. So maybe what I see, I can't see across the x-axis. Would see, there's my answer I got from my how high calculation, right? So that checked. And then so I'm going to make my x-axis, I'm going to go down I mean, because I'm going up 2,000. What if I go down the x-min to 200, negative 200? Can I see enough of the x-axis? Just looking at through the background, I can't quite. I'm going to go negative 500. And then you can see that positive number. And so it splashes down at 37.816. Okay, so that's when it hits the ground. Now, there's another zero over here, but that's backwards in time, right? Negative 1 minute. So that doesn't make any sense. Okay, it looks like this rocket was launched based on this model they gave us. It was launched 276 feet high above sea level. So that's okay. All right, so this is what I'm expecting you to be able to do. I want you to be able to find how high, when that happens by hand with that negative b over 2a trick, not with calculus. Some people will do that sometimes. And let's see, where is it? Right here. Because this is the pre-calc class. So you're going to do this trick to find when it's at its peak, find the vertex, find the height, and then you can use tech to find out when it splashes down. So, but I got to see that equation. You can do right. This equation equals zero, or you can say h of t equals zero, because we know what h of t is. Okay, hope this helps you.